Alrighty, everyone, welcome back. I did it. Look, if you watched the video yesterday, you know that I had all kinds of Lego sets all along here, and I'm trying to find room to get rid of these Lego sets that are already built that were on this table. And so I moved all those boxes from there to there. Done. We're getting a little more organized. We're going to get ready to try this again. One more attempt at creating a layout for the Lego City. Got almost pretty much a clean slate here ready to go. Ignore those plates there. They're not going to be where they are right now. They're going to be moved around. And so anyways, I mentioned this is where we do some stop motion animation. We had room. I had to get rid of all these boxes and storage. It had nothing to do with Lego. Now it's a bunch of Lego sets. Still got a ton of Lego sets underneath here. But I'll give you a close-up look at that in just a second. But I found this the other day, and I forgot to show it in the video yesterday. How cool is that? But I also have all the ones that were promotional from that time. Let's take a quick look at these. There's 1, 2. Oh, and by the way, we just built this last night. That's why I had to clear this whole table. You couldn't see anything but Lego sets. They're all right there now. And this is an exclusive set from Legoland. So Brent and David built this last night, and it's from a ride there called Driving School. It's for little kids. But the set's really cool, and since it's an exclusive set, I wanted to do it. It'll be out on the channel, I think, tomorrow. You'll get to see that. But this is pretty cool. This is from when the Lego Batman movie came out, obviously. And they get these promotional posters when you bought, something from the online Lego store. It might have been in the stores too. I don't remember. I got all these online from Lego. There's She's So Boss, that girl. And then I believe these are all, they only had 4. I think that's pretty much got all 4. There's Robin. The Boy Wonder. I guess that's when the movie had come out. We saw it in the movie theater. It's a while ago. And then finally, here we are. Wild card. Here we go. Harley Quinn. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, that's the update. Oh, I was going to give you a close-up look at that. So let's jump up here. So we're going to do some cool races with all these little cars. We've already done some. Remember this? We did the comparison between these two on one of the videos. These garbage trucks. One's from 2019. It's new. And the other one's from 2016. We did a side-by-side comparison. Some of these are just mocks we had built, like this house. It was actually all one big house, but now it's in pieces parts here. Some recent ones. We never put this one on the channel. The Burger Bar. Oh, what a shame. I should edit that and get it out. Brent built that when it was brand new. Of course, the Simpsons, Quickie Mart, the Lego Friends Hospital, some kind of like shack or something. I don't know what that is. And of course, we built this recently too. And that came with a drive-in theater. How cool is that, right? And just little Nix and Nax, fire truck. What else is in here? Just a whole bunch of stuff. Anyway, this isn't nearly all the collection. Brent has got a ton of Lego sets on shelves in his room. And in case you never got it, this would be a good angle to get this. When we built the Lego Star Wars Y-Wing, bunch of Star Wars sets right there. Lighting is not that great for there right now, so apologize for that if it's hard to make out the detail. Those are the 2 ships. Dead Men Tell No Tales Ghost Ship. Pretty cool. Then the Lego Ninjago ship. It's got like 3 levels. The lower level, the top, then these, actually 4 levels, I guess. No, 1, 2, 3. 3 levels. And very cool. A lot of playability. Little Lego Tron set on the end there. A bunch of minifigures underneath. A ton of polybags. That's not even all of them. Of course, my favorite Lego set ever is the Disney Castle. I love that set. And then some stuff at the top from Christmas sets. A couple of boxes are there. I don't know why. I can't remember why I put them there. And, the Batman Fox something or other. That ship's got the Batmobile in it. It was from Justice League. Then Kylo Ren's X-Wing. Then some just stuff on the end. And someone told me that Wattu, is it Wattu? Yeah, that minifigure right there, it's hard to see, is worth quite a bit, apparently. I did not know that. Someone left a comment saying that. Alrighty, there you go. That's the video. Let me get down here. Boink. Can't wait to build some more sets now that we got our table back. We can finally get back to building some Lego sets. So you're going to see some new Lego sets that we're building. Very cool. Going to be on the channel. Every week there's videos coming out. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell. And for further Lego table updates, when we actually create this thing, it's going to be cool to watch that. The stop motion videos, the builds, and special visits to places like Legoland, like we went to recently for Lego Movie World opening. Very cool stuff. And I'll see you in another video. Goodbye, everyone.
Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.